Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to raise the tickets on behalf of the employee. You have the option to view the tickets as well as the option to create new tickets. On the home page, click Transactions. Scroll down to Communication and Collaboration. Click Help Desk. Click View Tickets under Configure. Click New to create a new ticket. Select the priority from the drop-down. Select the category from the drop-down, that is the module for which you are raising the ticket. Enter the subject, which is the main issue or the reason for the email. Enter the query, that is details on the issue or the concern. Update the alternate email ID. This is optional, but it is useful to track the email in case you do not receive it to your main email ID. If you want to add any attachments, click Add Attachment. Select the file, click Choose File and click Upload. If you want to remove the attachment, you can click on Remove. Once you have uploaded the file, click Continue. After updating all the details, click Submit. If you want to reset the details, click the Reset option. To view the tickets raised, click My Tickets, and your ticket details will be listed out here. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.